Anywhere they can be. I'll take you all there. Come.
One now.
Come.
Come.
I don't
believe that.
Ah!
They are back! They are back!
Oh! Why are you gathered in my house? Wait, what is choking you?
They are back!
Febechi? Olisa?
They are back!
What is choking you? What's happening?
They are back!
Who is back?
They are back! Awele, Ujiaku, and Uloma.
Adam, why are you in here? Hey, the catcher. You are ready?
Yes.
Today shall be well. You shall hunt and you shall get enough game. Go well, my sons.
But where did you keep the machete? Inside. And you can get me that problem.
Hey, hold it! I will shoot you! Hold it!
Ayomachi! 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 What happened? What is it? Are you okay? Ayomachi! What happened? Stand up. Let us stand up first. What happened?
Where's my stick?
Your stick is here. Hey, what happened to you?
I felt some strange beings enter into our land. I tried to recognize them, but I don't know what happened next.
Strange beings in this land. Anyomachi. When will you not have tales of moonlight for us? Today, it is a dog with 3 heads. Tomorrow, it is a goat with 4 horns. Today now, strange beings. Imoma?
I'm not joking. I'm serious.
Shut up. You are very possessed. I can see you're very possessed. Pick up here, Kaiga.
Please, where is my pot?
It is on my head. Inside your pack.
Uche,
Father.
get water for them. Maidens, have a seat.
Thank you. We are all right.
Father, who are they? They look so dirty and strange.
Uche, what is holding the water?
Father, is it not better to know them before offering them water?
You say you don't want to sit.
Yeah, okay.
Give to them, Uche.
I'm okay. Thank you.
Who are you people? Where are you from?
We are from Ogugu village. Invaders intruded our land and they killed everyone. We managed to escape. We are the only surviving members of our village.
This is tragic.
We ran for our dear life.
This is terrible.
Extremely terrible. Febechi, you will take them to the stream so that they can have their baths.
And after which they will change these clothes.
Father, I will not do that. I won't. Why will you want me to give strangers, dirty people, my expensive wrappers? We don't want a change of wrapper. We'd rather stay like this, in the memory of our people. Yes. We would love to remember our people by wearing this same attire. Please.
But if you ask me, you need a change of wrappers to blend it.
No, we are fine. After we have our bath, we prefer to stay in these wrappers.
But this one will get dirty. And once they get dirty and you wash them, how will you cope? Since you escaped from your kingdom only with your lives.
Eba Maka, this hut is so beautiful. Hi, that man is a good man for giving us this type of hut. I hate that maiden. I felt like strangling her. Yeah. Come, sit down. Sit. Please. Sit down.
Akudo, please. Control your temper. Please calm down. We just got here. And we don't need to do anything drastic yet.
Moreover, the man is a good man. Equally, his son is a very kind man. They welcomed us and they gave us this place to stay. So please, calm your temper. Let that demon stay inside. I'm trying. I feel like strangling her. I feel like doing something drastic. I want to do something evil to her.
Akudo, calm down.
Be calm. Peace. Be calm like the flowing water. Remember the 4 moments and be calm. Let the demon stay inside. Let peace take over rage. The demon does not need to come out. Cage the demon inside. Peace. Peace. Peace.
No.
How did you?
Have you been watching me?
No, I was just on my way to check my traps when I saw a beautiful maiden with a smile like that of the sun. I had to just feed my eyes. I am sorry.
You have a gift. I hope you know that.
What could that be?
I'll tell you someday, not today.
Oh, sorry. How are you and your sisters settling?
Hey, Acham.
Why are you laughing? Is it because of what I said, or you have something else that is amusing you?
You know, you do not just know how to use your words to win a woman's heart. You're so funny.
Maybe because I'm with you. Because you just brought out a part of me I never knew existed.
Okay.
What?
Here he comes again with his magical, magnetic words. But how come you do not have thousands of maidens flocking around you? Because with such sweeping words of yours, you're meant to have millions and thousands of maidens falling on their knees for you. Why? Don't you think so?
But,
I'm right. Hey!
why did they drag her like that?
Have you forgotten what we are not supposed to do? I have not forgotten.
Olama. Olama. Ogini, have you forgotten what we are supposed to avoid? Have you forgotten why we are here? Do you even want to ruin everything?
Please, did I do anything wrong?
Why are you two getting yourselves all worked up?
We are just trying to remind you of the things you're not supposed to do. Things that could bring issues to us.
Well, you do not need to remind me because I know what I'm not supposed to do. Can you both please trust me? Bikonu.
Fine. You're not going anywhere without us.
Ise. Exactly. No more going out alone. Biko.
Eh.
Catch me if you can.
Get it! Chinelo.
Ola, ma. Ola!
Kedebe wakano. Utandu.
Thank you. Thank you. Where is Richard? Who is looking for me?
Ute one. I go listen.
Richard, you missed today. I told you to follow me, but you refused.
What did I miss?
I saw one of those beautiful strangers today in the bush. Those maidens.
I go listen. Are you talking about the same maidens I practically live with? Look at the hut my father gave to them. I do see them every day.
Not in this form. In fact, those maidens are beautiful. I don't even know how to explain it. You needed to see this maiden today. She's as beautiful as a goddess. Like a morning sun. That girl, there is something about her.
Agolisa.
I know what I am saying.
Agolisa. Don't tell me you are falling in love.
Who is talking about love? I am telling you what I saw. I am trying to describe this maiden. She is something else.
What is it?
Agolisa. You have fallen in love.
I do not know what you're talking about. Now, you just need to see this maiden. By the time you see her, you will understand what I'm talking about.
I don't care if my father let them in our compound, but I just wanted to leave. Look at this. Dojo. Slaves!
What are they even putting on? Looks like rag and they are dirty.
Yes. Just look at the scary white people your father brought into your home. Override purpose.
And why is she behaving like a wrestler?
You want to fight?
You want to fight?
You want to fight us?
You show her! Agunwan, show her what you're made of.
Leave her,
No, just leave her. Please leave these people, let us go. Fight! Rubbish.
Peace like a calm flowing water. Peace.
Enough! Enough! I have had enough!
For the sake of her father, have mercy.
For the sake of her brother, have mercy. They welcomed us and gave us a place to call home. Please, do not cause them pain.
But she's causing us pains! She's taking away the happiness, the joy, the oneness, everything that makes it beautiful. She has taken everything away.
Then fine. We will teach her a lesson. But we have to wait for the right time.
Biko, I suggest we do not teach her a lesson. Let us just ignore her. She's a mad maiden. Oh?
Like Chinelo said, we will teach her a lesson. It's just a matter of time she will hear from me.
I still do not think we should teach her a lesson. Let us just let her be. Biko, no.
Or just kill her!
Eh? Mba, Biko.
That would be enough to silence the noise.
Why are you smiling alone? Uche Godia. Eh? Why are you smiling alone?
Febechi, why did you hit me? What is the problem?
I needed to hit you to bring you back to reality. Makanifugo, you are lost. Stop laughing like a fool.
If I slap you, no man will ever recognize your ugly face. Nonsense. What am I even saying? Which man in his right senses will look at this your ugly, tattered looking face together with those ugly friends of yours when we have those beautiful maidens that just came into this kingdom?
What nonsense are you talking about?
You heard me very loud and clear. Those maidens are very beautiful and special. I love the way they speak, the way they sing, their beautiful look, their dancing steps, everything about those maidens.
Shut up! Uche, Puchionu, keep quiet. Shut up! I like the way they dance. Are you not saying me? Uche, go to your sister and look at me. I am the most beautiful maiden in this kingdom. Am I not beautiful enough? Eh? I'm okay. If Febechi, the most beautiful maiden in this kingdom. Are you not seeing? I am the most smartest maiden in this kingdom. You are comparing me with slaves, dirty things. Eh? Uche, let me warn you. Don't do this again. Don't.
Keep quiet, my friend. You are just being jealous. And your jealousy will never change anything.
Oh yeah. One.
Achie. I failed. I failed. I see. You will fail. We got that. Don't worry. Hey. I told you. Would you like to join us?
Yes. We love the sound you make with your hands. We would love to learn it.
It sounds so beautiful. We heard it from afar and we want you to teach us.
They should leave. They are not joining us.
Akudo, please. Just let them join us. Oh, Biko.
We are sorry for the other day. It was Febechi who forced us to attack you.
Yes, and if we don't do as she said, she will punish us.
Oh, Tianye Chaka.
Yes, we are very sorry.
Do not worry. I'll teach you. Yeah?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Mba, you're not getting it. Let us start again. Mba, this hand.
Okay.
Like this. Cherry. 2. You keep count 1. 2. 1. No, you're not doing. Okay, let us start afresh. Welcome. Do you want to join us? No, they don't want to. Leave them.
We will like to join you if you do not mind.
Do you want to learn how to play or would you just want to watch us?
I want to watch her.
Yes. Myself, I want to watch this very beautiful one here.
All right, come forward and have a seat.
We can watch from there.
Remember.
Okay.
2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2.
This one is over.
No. Father, no. I will not take this. Eh?
Febechi.
I will not take this. They must go. Those slaves must leave this house.
Febechi, what is wrong?
Father, those slaves must leave our hut. Father, before, I used to be the center of attraction. Everybody in this kingdom looks at me. But now, no. Father, they have to leave. They must leave.
Are you talking about those maidens from Ogugu? Or is there anyone else?
Those slaves from Ogugu. Those slaves that you let into our hut. And since you let them into this hut, everything has been wrong. Father, they need to go. Ayana.
Why do you want them to go? What did they do wrong?
Everything about them is wrong. The way they talk, the way they carry themselves, their appearance, everything. I hate everything about those slaves. I hate them so much. I don't like them. They must go. Oh? Father, I would do something terrible, something that you and I would regret.
Febechi, don't go and do anything stupid to those innocent maidens from Ogugu. Don't go and do anything.
They are not innocent. They are not innocent. They are evil. They have to go. Father, they have to go. I can't let them be in this hut. Okay, Dede?
Febechi, be warned. Don't do anything stupid to those innocent maidens from Ogugu. They have done you no wrong. They have done nobody in this kingdom any wrong.
Everything about them is wrong. Father, everything about them is wrong. Uche is with them. You are with them. Everybody should look at me now. Eh?
Be careful, Febechi. Be warned.
They need to leave this kingdom, or they need to leave. I am Febechi, the most beautiful maiden in this kingdom. They need to leave. Oh. Why am I even crying? I don't have to cry. I am stronger than them, better than them. Febechi won't cry. They need to leave. Oh.
Why don't you want to dance?
Do you want us to go?
Just leave. Biko, no. We are done for today. You can leave now.
You mean you want us to leave?
My beauty, thanks for entertaining us. We will come back again.
There will be no next time. So get up and leave.
My beauty, we will have just shake it a little bit. But if I go here, at least let me smile. I will leave, but I will still come back. One night. Let's go. Let's go.
Why don't you want to dance?
I cannot allow them see my body. I am sick.
Can you see? Please, let us see. We will not mock you.
Yes, please.
Are you sure?
I promise. Do not worry. I will give you some herbs that will make it go away.
I don't think you understand. She has tried all the medicine men in and out of this land, but it never worked.
Don't worry. This one will work.
And you will be able to dance just like all of us.
What are you doing here?
You have been throwing mangoes. Do you want to blind me? And why are you angry?
I am sorry. It's just that I have been hunting and I have not been able to catch anything. My trap has not been able to catch any animal, not even a rat.
Are you sure you've been doing it the right way?
I am a professional. This is what I do for a living. I have been hunting all my life. I just think maybe the animals have moved down the hill and do not roam around this area anymore.
So why don't we find out?
Do you know how to set traps?
Watch and see.
But I think we should just go. We shouldn't try at all, please.
Biko Bia, come and show me your trap.
Yeah. What do you know? Come. Honestly, I am still wondering how you did it. I never knew a magic like this exists.
Did I tell you I performed any magic?
It was like a magic. I have been setting these traps for some market days. They never caught anything. Today, just a little time and it's already caught a big grass cutter.
Well, let us call it luck.
I want to be this lucky. I want to stay close to this luck.
Please, my name is not Luck.
I know, but honestly, I like you. You bring out the best of me anytime we're together. And I like the way you make me feel.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Leave my sister alone. Leave her alone.
What is it?
Why are you always around? She's not a child.
Please just let him be. Leave him alone. He did nothing wrong.
Did you hear him? Did you hear what he just said?
Why are you always sad? Why are you always angry?
Hey, Nico, please, just stop.
Did you hear what he said?
Nico, please, you have to go now. Oh, I'll take my herbs later. Just go, please. Please, go. Calm down. Nico, no. Akudo. Akudo. Yeah. Come. What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you?
Why can't you never control your emotions?
Oginidi, what? Alama, what is the problem? Do you want to cause issues for us?
I'm not causing any problem for anyone. I have this under my control.
Olama, you have what under your control? You know what could happen if you fall in love with that young man.
I never said I'm falling in love with him. Alright?
You don't know what you're doing. I think the best thing to do is to eliminate that young man.
Yes!
Mbakwa! No way! No one is eliminating anyone! Biko! Moreover, why are you always filled with negativity? Oginidi!
Then stay away from him. Stay away from him if you want him to stay alive.
I will not stay away from him. Okay. I'm in control of my emotions and I know that I am not meant to fall in love.
Olama.
Ola. Chinelo.
Who is at home?
Why do you call?
Hola.
You are here.
Yes, I'm here.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Hey, it is like your tiger, your sister do not like me.
Not at all. They are not just comfortable with strangers around. Don't worry, let me go get the herbs.
Hey!
Maduko! Don't take that thing.
Febechi, it is for my skin now.
If you take it, forget about our friendship. Don't take it.
Alright, thank you.
So just apply it on your skin and it will be over. Oh? What you call?
Kini.
Give it back to her. Give it back to her now!
Febechi, fekwa chinke gi kan fe chinkem. Febechi, fe chinke gi kan fe chinkem. I shall not return it. No!
Mad woman.
Oh, hola.
Oh. What you call? What you call? What you call? Hey!
Anyomachi, Ogini, what is it? You cannot see and you cannot stay in one place. Let this stick not touch me.
Where did you get that from?
Why do you ask? Wait. How did you see what I'm holding?
What you're holding is not ordinary. And you should be careful.
Anyomachi, not today. You see these things you used to do, please, I don't want to be involved. Leave me out of it, Bikokwa.
I just want you to be careful. Because the person that gave that to you can harm you if you go against them.
Look at you. Do you know what I'm holding? Do you even know who gave it to me? Cannot see, and you are here advising me.
Just be careful.
This maiden cannot see, yet she sees what other maidens with 2 eyes can see. I should be careful. You too be careful, oh, so you don't fall.
Uche, greetings.
Thank you, Alamma. Akudo, how are you doing?
Are the fruits for Akudo?
Yes, I brought them for her. I plucked it from our farm.
Thank you.
This is for you.
Famaji!
What is the meaning of this? Are you mad?
Uche, how dare you? How dare you give these slaves, these dirty slaves, our fruits that we worked hard for? It is bad enough that father lets them into our home. You want to stain our bloodline? Hey, Uche! You want to stain our bloodline with that of slave's blood? Uche.
Omalicham, please, Butu. This is the hangover of the devil.
Take your sister away now.
I hate you! I hate you! I hate you all! I hate you! I hate you all! This is what I have been warning you two about. But you will not listen! Now look at the insult we just received!
But we've already taken her to be a mad woman. She should be ignored. This is nothing new.
I will not take this insult from anyone again. I will not!
Akudo, please don't use your powers yet, please.
I've caught you. I have caught you all alone. Now, do you? I am not done talking. By the time I am done with you, you will never forget it. Did you just like... You mad? Then I'll tell you to avoid. Okay? I want more! Leave her alone! Leave her! My sister, please! Leave her alone! Leave her alone, please! Hey! What is all this? Rapuya! Rapuya! Hey!
You're still wearing your beads. Eh? Remove them.
Are you here to mock me? Maluchi, are you here to mock me?
Huh? Who's going?
Sorry. Azuma. My back. My back hurts. And they tear me about. How am I going to raise my... Oh, you're making me talk too much.
What do you go? How come? Where are all the rashes on your body?
They are all gone. I can't still believe that I'm the one going around without covering my body.
Huh. This is serious, so. What kind of help did they give to you?
Ozugo, enough about me. Febechi, I heard you fought with Akudo. But from what I'm seeing, it looks like you fought with a wild animal.
Biko, I am telling you, the pains I'm receiving now is enough. Don't mock me. Biko, Febechi, the most beautiful maiden in this kingdom, Etiemeba. Once I recover, I will deal with them. I will show them.
But how can a human being do this to a fellow human being? That girl is a tiger. No, she's a tigress.
I am also surprised too. Because it is only an animal that will do this to someone. This is bad.
I told you to leave those wicked maidens. Anamba, you to refuse. Now look at me now. Look at my body.
I will never associate myself with those girls. I'm sorry. Those girls, they are very wicked, and they are wild animals.
Greetings, Nine. Greetings, Nine. Nine.
Hola.
I was greeting, but you did not notice me. Is everything all right?
Bad market. How can someone cultivate, harvest, and when you take it to the market, you cannot even find one person to price you a reasonable amount? Is that life?
But you should not have come back. You should have stayed because there's still time.
I could not say when people are rushing in the market. Is it now that everybody must have gone home?
In that case, let me help you sell them. Let me go back and try my luck.
There's no need, my daughter. Don't worry yourself. Just leave it.
Nine, I insist. I'm not complaining. Let me take you to the market and try. I'm not doing anything. I'm idle. Oh?
Okay. I cannot stop you.
Okay.
I can't stop you. You can go and try.
Let me try my luck. Oh?
It is you that is trying to stress yourself. I can't stop you, but you are just stressing yourself.
No problem, Nai.
Everybody must have gone home by now.
Let me stress myself. I am not complaining.
Okay.
Go and rest.
As well. Let me go and fix the ones in the barn.
Bia. I sold everything.
Gods of my ancestors. Hi! is this possible? What happened?
It's not only that I sold everything. I sold it at a higher rate.
Hey!
One person came and bought everything. Fiam!
Wow! Thank you very much. Thank you. Hey! You have a good market face.
Thank you, Nai.
Hey!
Do not worry. Anytime you want to sell your farm proceeds, I'm here. I'll do it for you.
Thank you, Adam. You see, our market is once in 4 days. So every 4 days, you come and help me and go to the market and sell them.
That's so bad,
Wow. Hey, Mafuma.
Let me go back to my house.
Okay. Hey! Everybody got buggy in there. Hey! Oh, wow! Aye!
I can smell you from several miles away.
How is that possible?
Well, I am gifted.
Is that why you always communicate with leaves?
Well, nature is the best friend anyone could ever have.
So you prefer to communicate with leaves than spend time with me?
Ha! These are two different things altogether. Well, I prefer to choose both.
So you like me?
Yes, I like you. I like how you make me feel. I like being around you. I just love how pure your spirit is.
Keep going. Continue. Those words make me feel alive than I have ever been.
Let those words not get into your head, Bikopa. Yeah.
This was for my mother. I want you to have it.
You want me to have your late mother's bead?
Yes.
Ha! It is so beautiful. Thank you.
I love you and I can give you the world just to make you happy and return those smiles on your face.
Thank you, Obin.
You're welcome. My sister is also gifted. She says things, though she has not started making use of it.
Yeah.
Yes.
That is nice.
I'd like you to meet her.
Eh? Alabi, you're very lucky that Chinelo is holding me down. I swear by the gods, I would have killed that man since you don't want to listen.
But you have no business with him. If you're looking for who to deal with, it should be me and not him.
Really?
Yes.
Chinelo, he carry.
Ola, stop this. Ola, must stop this. You know what we are not supposed to do. And you also know what we are forbidden from doing.
But I'm tired. I'm tired of living like a slave. I'm tired of keeping to God's rules. I'm suffocated. I'm tired. We go have got him.
I'll kill him!
Chinelo.
Olaba, I will kill him!
I will never allow you to.
Really?
Yes.
Olama. Olama! You know the danger of what you're doing. Stop it. Stop it!
I'd rather be free than live like a slave.
I'm going to kill... Chinelo, when your sister, I will kill him. Just go away from me. I do not want you anywhere close to me.
What is going on? I have never seen you like this.
I said leave me alone.
If you were your usual self, I would not have followed you. But the sadness in your heart troubles me.
You don't know anything about me. Stay very far away from me.
I wish I could, but I cannot. I am drawn to you. You are just everything I have ever wanted.
But we can never be together.
Why? I am ready to defy all odds just to be with you.
You do not even know what you're up against.
You do not.
I want you to come to my hut tomorrow. I'd like you to meet someone.
I do not want to meet anyone.
Please, I want you to meet her. She will be happy to meet you too.
If I'm asked to fall in love again, I will fall with you. I've seen many faces under the sun.
Ola, Oginikwan, you are trying me. You are trying me, Ola. Just so you know, you are not leaving this place.
Ola, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? I mean, you know what is forbidden. You know what we can and cannot do.
Akodo, Chinelo, Bikono, this is just a harmless visit. It's not even like I'm going there to marry him. I do not even love this man. It's Yokumnine. But I can see through you. I can see right through you, and I know how you feel about him. And you know that feeling is dangerous.
And you also know that he has a younger sister. He has a sister, and you should not step your foot into his hut ever. You know.
You know what? I am tired, Ika Gugom. I am sick and tired of listening to what to do and what not to do and what is forbidden. I'm just tired, Ika Gugom. What is up? Olama. Chinelo. Speak to your sister. Chinelo, talk to Olama, or I will do something we all will regret. Warn your sister.
Father or mother, please leave us alone. Stop coming. We don't have anything in common again. It's not our time yet. We still have a lot to accomplish. Please stop coming around. I thought you have stopped coming. You are dead, and we don't have anything in common again. Please leave us alone. Stop coming around. Olisa. Olisa. Olisa.
What is it? I warned you. I warned you about this. Now look at what you've caused. How was I to know? I wasn't expecting to see her right there in front of the hut.
Have you lost your 4 senses? Eh? Can't you see what is happening to you? You can't even use your powers and natures anymore.
She's gradually becoming human by the day. Can't you see it? What's wrong with you, Olama? What is wrong with you too? Because allow me, I need to breathe.
Olama.
Ola,
stay away from that man. He is influencing you badly.
Okwanodele, are you too sure you can do this for me?
Febechi, you know who I am. You know what I can do. So why are you doubting me?
See, Febechi, leave them for us. We have no issues, just leave them for us. By the time we are done with them in this village, they will run away from this village without anything.
I like that. And I trust you too. I want you to deal with them so that they can leave this village far away.
Consider it done. Settle.
Listen to me. This is a small thing. Just give us 4 market days and it will be done. I will make sure you will not see them anywhere around this village.
Okay.
When you are done, I'll give you your balance.
I trust you. I trust you, Febechi.
I trust you. Remember the balance, so very, very important. And for the money, we will share the 50-50.
If I'm asked to do it all over again, I will do. If I'm asked to fall in love again, I will fall with you. I've seen many faces under the sun. I've seen the beauty under the moon, but none like you. Nobody does do.
Stop it! Chima! Why
This is how I will destroy that young man if you don't stay away from him. This is just a gift. His late mother's beads and he cherishes these beads a lot. Why will you just destroy it? Olama, what is wrong with you? What has gotten into you? When will you realize that it can never be the same again? Why can't we just leave? Yes, I know we have an unaccomplished mission, but that doesn't stop us from leaving while we try to find a way to accomplish the mission. Olama, we have a mission, and not even you or anybody can come in between it. Not even the living, as you call it. Be one. But this is not fair!
Nobody will take away my Olisa. Nobody. I will make sure that these useless wild animals leave this village, and Olisa will be able to notice me.
What are you doing here? What are you two doing here? Huh? I want to make it clear. Now that I am well again, I am strong again, I don't want to see you two around me. You've chosen your friends. You've chosen slaves to me. Go back to them.
My friend, why will you say something like that? We never chose them. We were just trying to get something that we can use against them. That is all.
Yes, my friend. How can we choose those wild animals over you? Our very good friend. We can never do that. I know why you are here. You think I am stupid? Huh? You think I am stupid? You think I am not smart enough? I know. You are here so that I will choose you. I will choose you in the dance festival. To your greatest surprise, I won't choose you. Go back to your slaves. Your slaves that I detest so much. Go back to them.
Wait, what is that smell? Is that the festival? I cannot wait for this festival to come. I cannot wait to show off my beautiful skin on that day. I will make sure to reveal enough so that the whole village can see how beautiful my skin has become. Where do what chanting madanya okwa afuchanka anya mother.
And we will surely win this illusions.
Of course.
My friends, we will try our best. In fact, my own focus is on Olisa. After the whole thing, Olisa will marry me.
Wait. Speaking about marriage, have you tried telling him how you feel?
Febechi, tell a man first how I feel. It's not possible now.
Right.
I am a Febechi. One of this village.
What is chasing after you? Huh?
Olisa, those maidens. Olisa, those maidens. Those strangers are evil. I don't know what they gave my friend Nwadioko. She applied on her skin. Before you know it, her skin gets infected. I don't know.
I do not understand what you're saying. What do you mean that they're evil? What are you saying?
Lisa, you need to stay away from them. Keep off. I don't want them to hurt you for me, Biko. I don't want them to hurt you. They are evil. Please.
Listen to me, Febechi. I like you. I like you very much, but just like a younger sister, I've known you since you were young. I want it to remain like that. You see that stranger? She is the one my heart beats for. She is the one I want to live the rest of my life with. Please.
Olisa, please. Lisa, I love you so much. I love everything about you. I think about you every day and night. Olisa, please.
It will not work. It will not work, please.
Please,
stop
Olisa.
all this.
Olisa, please. Olisa. Olisa. Olisa, be calm. Olisa.
Again. They are here.
Onye?
They are here to attack us.
Because I think it's best that we leave. Let us not hurt anyone.
Leave, Kwa. Like we are running away from them or what?
He will not go anywhere. He will teach them a lesson. We'll give them what they ask for.
Wow. Here. Kono, let us just...
See them. Slaves! Slaves! Oko, Odili, I want you to deal with them. Do what they will never forget in a hurry.
If you know what is good for you, leave now.
Bikono, we do not want to hurt anyone, so leave now.
Shut your mouth!
Eh?
Will you shut up your mouth?
Odili, what are you waiting for now? Start your work, Ozuwo!
Just leave!
Are you still here? Or do you have a death? Please, please. Just let me.
What is it?
They will kill them. Uche, you need to follow me.
I don't understand what they will kill who?
Uche, you need to follow me. Those maidens, those slaves, they will kill them if you don't follow me.
Febechi, can you just calm down and speak to me so that I can understand?
Okay. Odili and Oko, I sent them to warn those slaves for me. You know how they have been disturbing me. I just want them to leave this village. Unfortunately, they turned up beating them. Biko, come and help me. Follow me now, Uche. Biko, you need to follow me now before it's late. Please. Uche,
Agolisa, if you see what those maidens did to those young men, you will never believe it was those soft-spoken maidens that did that.
There are strange things about them, and it gives me concern.
Maybe they were warriors in their kingdom.
This is beyond being warriors. I have noticed a lot of things about them. Like the way they appear, disappear, like they have some kind of spiritual power.
Agolis, I don't understand. Are they spirit? They are strong. I understand that part. But I don't believe they have this power of disappearing and appearing like you said.
I know what I'm talking about. Yes.
What of Olamma? Are you still going to be with her?
Well, her sisters do not want us to be together, but I am still going to try. I'll do everything possible to prove my love to her.
Agolisa, your own is better. I wish I could. Well, look at me.
Look at what?
Look at my face.
And do what?
And accept me, then I will go and marry her.
Do you have a face?
Oh no, you
are a faceless man.
Yeah, what am you now?
There is something about that blind little girl.
I noticed it as well. She's not ordinary.
It's like I've seen her at Olisa's hut. She seems to be his sibling.
You know we are supposed to avoid children and old people. So stay away from Olisa entirely.
I cannot.
Ask him to leave. Now.
I have not come to make troubles. I am only here to see Ola.
Please, wait for me by the road. I will come to meet you.
Guinea! Ola, you are not going anywhere.
Do not wait for her, or we'll come for you. Go or do something you regret. Leave.
You can never stop me from seeing him. I must see him.
If you try it, I will make sure you regret.
He's the only one that makes me happy around here. So I must see him. I won't stop seeing him. I said it. I said it. It is finished. She's going to ruin our mission. Hi.
Cambia kwanu. Eh? Ola.
Hi.
How did you do that?
Do what?
I hardly hear your footsteps each time you're coming. Did you appear?
You're very funny. I hope you know that.
Oh.
You need to look at your face now.
But I am serious.
So what if I appear and disappear? Will you still love me?
I have told you that I will defy all odds just to be with you. I love you, and I will continue to love you.
But there is something about me that if you find out, it will destroy everything we both share.
Nothing will destroy anything. Believe me. Trust me. I love you, and that is what matters. Okay?
I am
what? I am what? What was that?
So what?
Something just hit me.
Hey! From where?
I don't know. I don't know.
How could you? How could you do something like that to him? How could you?
We were planning on revealing our secrets to him. What is wrong with you?
Of course I know that I will not tell him, because if he finds out, it will be the end of everything.
Oh, please, can you just stop?
And that's why you were planning to tell him that you are from a different world. See, that is enough for him to dig deep. I was only trying to make him understand why things will not work between him and I. Moreover, why can't you just let me handle things myself? Alama, I am done talking to you. Since you've chosen to act like father, I will treat you the way mother treated father. You dare not.
Olama, please stop! Stop it! I support Akudo on this one. You need to stop.
That ailment is not ordinary, and I want her to be careful with the people that gave those things to her. But she thought I was joking.
Wait, you mean the same herbs that cured her is the same herbs that turned her that way?
Hey! The people that gave those things to her are very angry with her, and they were able to manipulate the herbs to work against her because the herbs are still in her body.
Yeah? I don't understand. How?
She shouldn't have offended the people that meant well for her, especially if they have the power to destroy her.
Well, nobody offended them. Move this way.
Thank you. Those people are from different worlds and should be avoided. They are not ordinary maidens.
Hey! This one is too much. It's too much.
I warned her. She thought I was joking.
Be careful.
From what I heard, you need to tell your father to send them away before they bring trouble to your home.
I don't understand. Who told you all this?
Ayomachi, that little witch. You know she sees things.
Yes.
Yes. I have seen what I will use against them with what you just told me. Are you okay? Can you listen to yourself? You want to go against people that can destroy you in a twinkle of an eye? Bellucci. They will not know. They will not find out that we have something to use against them. Except you will tell them. Bellucci, I detest these people so much. They are slaves. I want them to leave my home. I am sick and tired of them. Ikokwa, I don't want to go with you. In fact, I did not come to visit you. Bellucci. Bellucci! asked her to visit. He wants to introduce her to his blind sister.
Guinea? And what did she say about it?
She blocked me from hearing because she realized I was listening.
Akudo, we need to do something and we need to act fast.
You know what we should do, right?
I know.
Now go back to the hut. Make sure you hold her down. Make sure she doesn't find out whatever that is happening. Okay?
I will do just that.
Olam.
Get your hands off me!
What is it? Did I do anything wrong?
I have a confession to make. You need to know the truth.
What truth?
I do not like you. Neither do I love you. I'm only hanging around you because of my sister Akudo. I'm doing this to make her jealous because she's the one that likes you. So please, stay away from me.
That cannot be true. That cannot be. I know you love me. I see it in your eyes. I see the sparkles each time you look at me. I love you and you love me too.
I hate you! I do not want to be with you. I do not like you one bit. So please, stay away from me.
What has come over you, Ola? What has come over you? What is wrong with you? This is not my peaceful and beautiful Ola. What happened? Did your family put you up to this?
You are a fool. Listen, I do not want to destroy you. Stay away from me.
Oh, listen, Ola, we can't...
Stay away from me! Get away from me! Stay away from me!
You're hurting me, you're hurting me. Fall back.
Babe, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. I had to help my sister with some house chores. But are you okay? I just said I'm sorry, but you're ignoring me.
You're saying sorry for what? For what exactly? What are you sorry for? Now tell me, for showing me the animal in you? Is that it? Is that what you're sorry for?
Did you just speak to me like that?
I did. What will you do? Beat me up again? Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
You know what? I just need to take my leave now.
Just leave. It is better that way.
Don't you ever come close to me again.
And you think I will die if I do not come close to you? Nothing will happen to me. I will not die. Just leave. Go. You are violent. Just leave.
Uche, this one you're here with Oduko. Hope there's no problem.
There is no problem at all. Everything is fine. My father sent me to come and check up on you maidens. He said he has not been seeing you maidens around. Yes.
Well, no problem. Just tell him that we'll come and see him in the evening.
Okay. My beauty, how are you doing?
I am doing fine.
I can see. Indeed, you are doing fine, Omalicha. I would like to take you to the upcoming dance festival of the moon.
No, I won't.
Okay. I will still come back should in case you change your mind.
I won't change my mind. Don't come back here. Stay in your father's hut.
I will tell my father what you said.
Okay. Daluo.
I got you.
Again.
And you think I will die if I do not come close to you? You are violent!
Oh! I'm tired! I want to go! I want to go! I don't want to accomplish any stupid mission anymore! I want to go back!
Olama, what is wrong? You've been like this for days and you've refused to tell us what the matter is. What?
Olama, please talk to us. We can actually be of help. Talk.
I want to go back with or without you both.
Why do you want to go all of a sudden? What happened?
Ola, please. Remember what Mother used to tell us. She said it's better you confront your problems than just dying in silence.
That is exactly what I'm going to do now.
Okay. Olama.
Why did you say that? Now she has to run back to that young man.
Honestly, it was not my intention. I only wanted to just...
What should we do now? Anyomachi.
Anyomachi.
Sit. Why did you waste so much time?
They are close to this place. I can't be here.
I don't understand. Which people are you talking about?
The people you want to know about. I can't be here. I need to go.
Olomachi, please don't go. I want you to tell me in details. I want to know about them. Where they come from, everything in details, please.
Do you want to put me into trouble? I can't do what you want me to do. I'm sorry. I need to go.
Anyomachi, wait. Anyomachi.
You must tell me why you spoke to me the way you did the other day.
Why are you pretending not to know what you did? Why are you messing with my head?
I know what I did, and I know it was wrong. But I told you that I'm sorry. But you called me names.
Why would you do a thing like that to me? Do you know how it made me feel?
You're the one that said that you would do anything to be with me, right? In your words, you said you would defy all odds just to be with me. So why couldn't you just take that small thing?
I know I did. I did say that. Listen. Can we just forget about everything that happened? Please. I missed you. I really do.
I missed you too. But you must promise never to speak to me that way again.
I promise. It will not happen again. I will never speak to you like that again.
No one like you, nobody don't do me the way you do. The way you make me feel, I will give everything for you. I will risk it all.
You're back.
Yes. Do you have anything for me?
Where did you go to? And what is that smell?
What smell? I went to check my traps.
It seems that our late parents are still coming to you. That smell.
Late parents. What are you talking about?
That smell. Are you sure our late parents have not been coming to you?
How am I supposed to know, Anyomachi? I do not see spirits. You are the one who says spirits.
They are dead. They should leave us alone.
Anyomachi, they are not holding us. Now listen, if they want to come, they should come. Okay? How does it smell?
Our late parents are coming to you.
Anyomachi, I'm not seeing anybody, please.
Where are you going to?
I am coming. Let me drop my gun. Can you imagine? She was testing me to know if I can stand by her if things go wrong.
But she went too far. What if she injured you in the process? That was too much.
Well, I thank the gods. It was just a test. Because my life would have been miserable without her.
You are even lucky. Akudo has refused to even speak to me.
Why Akudo of all the maidens? That one that you can never see smiles on her face. Why?
Such maiden loves with everything. I must do everything possible to win her over. I love her.
I wish you all the best. Good luck.
Thank you.
Is this how they behave? Just because I was late for our meeting, he took it so serious, like I did something terrible to him. How do I cope with such character? I even apologized, yet he could not forgive me immediately. I do not know if I can do this.
Since he has refused to have sense, I'll force insenses into him.
What are you going to do?
By the time I am done with him, when he sees Olama, he'll run away.
Please, just take it easy on him, okay?
Where are you going with those sticks?
They are for you. I told you to leave me alone, yet you refuse to learn. So you will learn the hard way.
You are very funny, you know that? Come here.
Don't you dare touch me! Do not touch me. I do not want you anywhere close to me.
Wait. Is this another test or what?
You should be a big fool to think that this is a test. Leave me alone. I do not want you close to me again.
Ma. Do you know I almost believed you? But you know what? There is no amount of sticks that will make me leave you alone.
Eh?
So come on.
Don't leave me! Don't leave me! Leave me alone! 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 I told you to leave me alone! Ikaku! Ikaku! Ikaku!
He will learn the hard way.
You! How could you do this? How could you do this to me? Why? Just why?
I warned you. I warned you, Lama, but you refused to listen to me.
Oh, really? You too, Chinelo. You're part of this? How could you? Even you? Why?
I had to do it for your own good. We did it for your good.
I will never forgive you too. Never! I want to go back home. I do not want to stay here anymore. I want to go back to our parents. Nothing here interests me anymore. I do not even fit into this place. I want to go.
Allah. We did all we did for your own good. You cannot trust humans.
Then why am I in their midst? What are we doing here? Why am I here?
Remember what they did to our people. Our loved ones, our families. Have you forgotten?
But that doesn't make humans bad people. Our parents were good people, weren't they? Moreover,
Akolisa is a good man. Being close to him is dangerous. Being close to him can ruin things. The purpose of us being here.
Can I go back? Why can't we go home already? I need to leave this place. I hate this place.
please, do not run away from me. Please, don't do this to me. I want you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Why are you doing all this? Why are you playing with my emotion?
Obim, it is not me. It's my sisters.
Your sisters? How?
They said that I should do all those things to you just to test you, but I'll see that you're going to leave me and you do not love me, that you just want to play with me. That is what they told me. I'm sorry.
Ma, I love you. I love you from the depth of my heart. But I cannot do this against your wish. I cannot.
Biko, no. Akolisa, do not do this to me. I want you around me. I want you with me. I cannot imagine life without you, because life without you will be meaningless.
But your sisters do not want me. They do not want me.
Can you do something for me? Please, come to my hut tomorrow and profess your love to me in front of everybody. Prove to them that you love me. Please just do this for me, Obim, Biko.
Will that make them to accept me?
Yes. Please.
Ayomachi. Ayomachi, what happened to you? Are you not Olisa's sister? Talk to me, what happened? Okay, let's go. I took her to Oshendo, the native doctor. He said your sister saw something bigger than her. I mean something that normal eyes should not see.
How is that possible? She is blind and cannot see.
He said she was able to see that she's gifted and blind.
Did he say the solution to this? Solution to restoring her voice?
Okay, he said that the matter at hand is not the one to handle urgently, that he will prepare and get back to us.
Wonders shall never cease. I have always told you that I will defy all odds just to be with you. You are my light at the sunset. You are the best thing that has ever happened in my life. You bring nothing but joy and happiness to me. And I will love you forever.
This is so beautiful. Olama, say something.
Akolisa, for days now I've been miserable, thinking of a life without you. But I can't even imagine living without you. I love you dearly. And I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
No, Lisa, no, you can't do this to me. Lisa, I love you so much. You can't do this. No, Lisa. Lisa, no!
Foolish people.
Hey! My beauty, Akudum, I was planning to come and see you.
You want to see me?
Yes.
I'm here.
My beauty, I want to tell you that I like you. I swear by the gods, I have been dreaming a lot about you lately. I can't even concentrate as a man. In fact, I am not even seeing myself doing well in the nearest future without you. That is why I wanted to come and see you and tell you if we can get closer to each other, the more. Maybe from there, I will marry you and get you pregnant. You will start bearing children for me.
Take it easy.
Honey,
relax.
Yeah.
I am ready.
You are ready?
Yes.
Hey! May the gods be praised. I am also ready.
But before then, you have to die first.
Eh?
I said you will have to die first.
If I'm asked to fall in love again, I will fall with you. I've seen many faces under the sun. I've seen
No.
Stop.
Let me get me. I need to get something to beat you.
Something like that. Is there something there?
Are you saying you can play?
Of course I can. I didn't know what to do. What is that you said?
But what's the worst that would happen?
I don't want to think about it.
I just wish I could be happy and be happy. I just wish I could be happy like Olama.
And you think I don't want to be happy as well?
I don't know, you act like you hate happiness.
That is because we are not here to smile or play around. We have a mission. Why we were left on earth is because we have a mission and we have to fulfill it.
I don't know. I just wish I could have a man like Olita that makes Olama happy. I just want to be alive. I just want to.
Enough! Not you.
This is great. We must have to start from the root.
Ochendo, I do not understand.
She understands and she knows what must be done.
But you and I know that she cannot seek. Neither can she see.
What you do not know is that her vision is clearer than your own. We are going to embark on a journey of revealing the truth, and she will be the one that will lead us.
feel some type of way. Hey, who is ready for the dance festival of the moon?
Kenny, I'm ready, please. I'm ready to dance.
Can you just stop? Let us face the matter at hand. Biko, that matter at hand should wait after the festival because I'll be dancing at the festival.
Eh? How is that possible? Ola?
Olisa, he put my name into one of the dance groups.
Biko, no, now I want to join. Please tell him I want to dance.
Enough! I said, I feel some type of way. And the feeling is not good. Yeah. Oh, you're the only one feeling that something, no? Because I'm not feeling anything. How can you feel anything when you've lost yourself?
Honestly, I do not understand this. I do not understand it. These things are not making sense to me anymore. No! They are not! These are all lies! Lies! Listen, Febechi, hope you did not make up this just to bring me close to you.
No!
My own Adukudo, my own beauty. One now. Ghost, I don't want to believe that we have been living with ghosts all this while.
More ghost. I just want to be healed. That is all.
The thing is, everything will be settled today. My hope is they should not know that we know about them.
Will you shut up? Shut your mouth. They are not ghosts. They are humans.
Where could they be? Where?
We need to find them. We need to.
Yes, I know where they can be. I'll take you all there. Come. Come.
Ah!
They are back! They are back!
Oh! Why are you gathered in my house? Wait, what is choking you?
They are back!
Febechi, Olisa.
They are back!
What is choking you? What's happening?
They are back!
Who is back?
They are back! Awele, Ujiaku, and Uloma.
I got one on car again, Bikon. Eh?
My ancestors, I need your protection now when this spirit appears. Hey! What is your mission in this land? Ujuako, Awele, Uloma, I ask again, what are your mission in this land?
We lived in a very fertile land. Most of the people in our land were gifted with superpowers. We became the envy of most lands around us. One day, intruders invaded our land and wiped away everyone. Luckily for us, we were not around. When we came back, we met our dying mother, who told us to come here and let you people know about the danger that lies ahead. On our way here, we were hunted and killed.
Hey! Hey! Don't kill me.
But we had to continue our journey just to fulfill our dying mother's wish.
And who is your mother that cares so much about the people of this land?
She was from this land, the daughter of late Okofia Ezebinofia.
Okofia Ezebinofia? That's my father. Wait, is your mother's name Ndodi?
Yes.
Hey! Ndodi was my stepsister. The same father, but not the same mother. She got married many years ago. Until today, we have not heard from her. So you are her daughters. Papa, so your late stepsister's children wants to kill me. Innocent me.
Ola, please. Do not do this to me, please. I beg you in the name of the gods. I love you and I love you from the depth of my heart. I cannot live without you. Life without you will be miserable, please. Do not leave me here alone. I love you, please.
No.
Akolisa, thank you. Thank you for making me to feel what true love is all about. I'm sorry to break your heart. The truth is, I truly love you, but I have to go. The living and the dead do not have anything in common.
I am glad you know about that.
I still love you.
But do not worry, my love. We will meet at the other side.
No, I still love you.
My brother, I prefer this side. Don't go. No, I'm not leaving you.
Leave me alone.
I am not leaving you.
Get your hands
off. I'm not leaving you. I'm not leaving you. They are dead.
What?
Hey!
I can see!
Anyawati! You can see!
I can see!
You can see!
My skin!
Hey! I
can't see anything! Chimo! Hey!
Okay. What are you doing? I am scared. I don't know who is who at this point. I am scared of everybody. Wanda, Butu, just calm down.
We have to consult the gods to know how we can avert this calamity that might befall us.
You're right, Ochendu. That's what we must do.
I never knew I was busy hurting my own cousins. I am sorry. I am so sorry.
Olam, why did you leave me here? Why did you leave me here? You should have stayed. You should have stayed, please. How can I survive here without you? How?
Olisa, I promise to be here for you. I'm always here. I love you and I will always do. I am so sorry that I was busy hurting my cousins. They are all mistakes. Please.
I regret all the bad things that I said to them.
And I wish they forgive us for all we did to them.
I am free.
I supposed to have noticed that their striking resemblance with my beloved half-sister, Ndodieze. But I did not.
If I'm asked to do it all over again, I will do. If I'm asked to fall in love again, I will fall with you. I've seen many faces under the sun. I've seen the beauty under the moon, but none like you. Nobody don't do me the way you do. Oh, twise me munobio, ona baka kwa misie. No one like you. Nobody don't do me the way you do. The way you make me feel, I will give everything for you. I will risk it all for do it all over again, I would do. If I'm asked to fall in love again, I will fall with you. I've seen many faces under the sun. I've seen the beauty under. If I'm asked to do it all over again, I will do. If I'm asked to fall in love again, I will fall with you. I've seen many faces under the sun. I've seen the beauty under the moon, but none like you. Nobody don't do me the way you do. O tui se me munobio, ona baka pa mi sie.